Hi, I'm Shiv Gaglani. Thanks for checking out our Raise the Line interview series, in which me and my co-host, Osmosis Chief Medical Officer Dr. Rishi Desai, explore how to strengthen our healthcare system with some amazing leaders in medicine, technology, education, and government. And they have some great advice for people starting careers in healthcare as well. I hope you'll watch these highlights and then go listen to the full podcast interview wherever you get your podcasts. Hi, I'm Shiv Gaglani, and today on Raise the Line, I'm happy to be joined by Mike Alkire, who's president of Premier Incorporated, which helps more than 4,000 hospitals and health systems and hundreds of thousands of providers improve efficiency and clinical outcomes through supply chain management, pharmacy integration, and other strategies. I would love to hear in your own words about your background and what led you to now leading Premier.
You know, it's interesting. So I studied computer science in undergrad and then went to business school. And then I got out and worked for Deloitte. One of my first projects was actually building out the Medicaid system for the state of Arizona. And so obviously that continued to, focus my interest into healthcare. And then I left, when I left Deloitte, I went to Capgemini, Ernst & Young. And at that point, I took on more higher level roles in terms of, business turnarounds. We did a lot of global supply chain work and those kinds of things. And so when Premier came looking for, some help in terms of some turnaround capabilities and some supply chain expertise, it was really a really natural fit for me because Premier is so important in terms of our ability to get access to products for our healthcare systems and also the data and the analytics that we have to help our healthcare systems drive improvements. Obviously, my computer science history in building out benchmarks and artificial intelligence and machine learning to help drive improvements and really to sort of codify or hardwire, how you standardize care and those kinds of things. I guess all of that sort of led to where I am today and the business that Premier focuses on as an organization.
What advice would you give to current or future healthcare professionals considering, staying in healthcare or pursuing their chosen career in healthcare?
Shiv, I love the question. So I've always learned, I've gotten by with my leadership style that, involves a couple of words. One is being courageous. The other is being humble. Being humble in terms of being open to new ideas and truly listening, not listening with an ear to respond, but truly listening and trying to understand what, the other party is actually talking about. So humble and humility is number one. Courage is, it's taking the bold actions. It's persevering when it gets tough. It's following your dreams. And so, those are the kinds of things that, I sort of think about. I've also added, one last word with all these issues that are happening in our communities around, social injustice and things of that nature, and that's humanity. We've got to stop this labeling people. Humanity to me means treat everybody as an individual. Don't label somebody because of what you think. There's an old adage, you can't tell a book by its cover. Well, let's go back to that old adage and truly appreciate every individual as a unique human. And I think if we do that, we're going to be far better off in the future.
Thanks for watching this preview of Raise the Line. To hear the full interview, check out all of our podcasts and subscribe to the series. Please go to osmosis.org/Raise the Line podcast or listen wherever you get your podcasts.